What's up? This is Robert talking to you, and today let's talk about Endo Pump. Have you heard about Endo Pump, guys? Because everybody's talking about this male enhancement supplement. But guys, does it work? Does it live up to its hype? Today you'll know these things and much more. Okay, so guys, please stick with me until the end of this video. And if you decide to buy Endo Pump, make sure to only buy on its official website. And to make your life a lot easier, I'm leaving Endo Pump's official website in the first link in the description of this video. So guys, erectile dysfunction is one of the most common problems that happen to men after the age of 30. Even some people have it earlier, guys. It happens, right? What happens is that it keeps happening all the time, frequently, guys, is when it affects your self-confidence. Because guys, if you cannot achieve an erection, guys, is when things begin to go downhill, guys, right? Because it takes a toll on your self-confidence, it makes you not feel man enough. Guys, it even can lead to depression, right? Because you can get it up, guys. And if you have your wife or girlfriend, you might be at risk of ending your relationship. Because guys, a relationship cannot live without sex, guys. That is the reality, guys. Guys, no one wants a sexless marriage, guys. No one, guys, okay? And even if you have a girlfriend, guys, she might be cheating on you if you were not able to achieve an erection. But guys, don't you worry just now, okay? Because today, guys, we have natural male enhancement supplements that are able to give you the extra boost that you need in the bedroom, guys. And I'm talking about Endo Pump. But guys, let me tell you something first, okay? Because scientists have discovered, guys, the real root cause of erectile dysfunction, guys. And it's all because a hidden organ called endothelium. And this organ, endothelium, guys, is responsible for sending proper blood flow to all of your body parts, including your friend. And not only that, okay, because it also regulates blood pressure, it supports the health of your heart, and guys, it's also responsible for your performance in the bedroom, because with more blood pumping throughout your entire body, guys, you are able to have an amazing stamina in the bedroom. So guys, this organ is really important for your health, okay? But guys, the problem is that as you age, this organ becomes weaker each year that goes by. And what happens is that you are not pumping enough blood throughout your entire body, including your friend, guys. And what happens is that you cannot achieve an erection. And guys, it's not a good look, right? It's not a good feeling. And guys, that's why I'm here today to talk to you about Endo Pump, because Endo Pump is the only natural male enhancement supplement on the market that can optimize your endothelium organ, guys, by strengthening it up, guys, to be as strong as you can be, guys. So you have amazing, hard, and long-lasting erections, guys. Your sex drive will skyrocket, guys, and guys, your performance in the bedroom will improve significantly. And guys, you should know that this is only possible because Endo Pump, guys, has the exact combination of ingredients, guys, okay? Guys, that makes a ton of difference, okay, on your overall result, guys, because by having the exact clinically proven quantities of ingredients, guys, you are able to have amazing results. So with Endo Pump, guys, you will become a beast in the bedroom, guys. I'm telling you, guys, women will go crazy for you. And guys, the best of all is that to use Endo Pump is really simple. Guys, you just need to pump 2 capsules a day with a big glass of water every single day in the morning on an empty stomach, and that's it, guys, okay? And guys, within just a few weeks of using Endo Pump, guys, you will notice something different, guys. You will notice that your sex drive will improve, guys, your performance in the bedroom as well, and your erections, guys. Guys, think about having an amazing erection just by thinking about it, guys. That will be possible with Endo Pump. But guys, hear me out right now, because if you're really serious about this treatment, use Endo Pump for, guys, at least, guys, hear me out, 3 to 6 months, guys. This is really serious, okay? Because guys, it is the timeline for your body to absorb all of the substances, okay? And all of the substances will build up in your body, giving you permanent results, okay? So use Endo Pump every single day until you reach the results you want. Guys, let me tell you something else, okay? Because Endo Pump is completely safe, because it's FDA approved, GMP certified, and it's manufactured under the most sterile, strict, and precise standards. And it's also non-GMO, non-heavy-forming, gluten-free. And each one of the ingredients in Endo Pump's formula, guys, are tested many and many times for purity and potency, because the manufacturer wants to ensure that you will have an amazing results with the supplement. And guys, if it's still not enough for you and you want something else, let me tell you about money back guarantee, because with Endo Pump, you are getting, guys, a risk-free 90-day money back guarantee. Let me tell you something, that is enough time to have amazing results with the supplement. If you didn't adapt to the supplement, you're not satisfied with the results, guys, just ask your money back, guys, and you will get all of your money back, non-questions asked. I think that's pretty much about it for this quick review of Endo Pump, guys. That's what I had to tell, guys. And guys, if you decide to buy it, make sure to only buy it on its official website, okay? And guys, to help you out and make your life a lot easier, I'm leaving Endo Pump's official website in the first link to the description of this video, alright? Now guys, please, if you found this review of Endo Pump helpful, please give her a like, your thumbs up, okay? And I really hope to see you guys on the next video review. Robert signing out.